Typical Day, Part 1. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Get up. I get up after 10 minutes. Get dressed. I get dressed. Brush one's teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash one's face. I wash my face. Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Go to school. I go to school at 7:45. Have lessons. I have 5 lessons. Come back home. Go home. I come back home at 1 p.m. I go home at 1 p.m. Have dinner. Have lunch. I have dinner at 2 p.m. I have lunch at 2 p.m. Have supper. I have supper at 6 p.m. Do one's homework. I always do my homework. Watch TV. I watch TV for an hour. Have a shower. Take a shower. I have a shower every day. I take a shower every day. Have a bath. Take a bath. I don't have a bath. I take a bath every day. Go to bed. Go to sleep. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. My sister's typical day. My sister wakes up at 6 o'clock. She gets up after 10 minutes. She gets dressed. She brushes her teeth. She washes her face. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. She goes to school at 7:45. She has 5 lessons. She comes back home at 1 p.m. She has dinner at 2 p.m. She has supper at 6 p.m. She always does her homework. She watches TV for an hour. She has a shower every day. She takes a shower every day. She doesn't have a bath. She doesn't take a bath. She goes to sleep at 10 p.m. Langero.com